If your home constantly feels cluttered no matter how much you try to organize it, this is exactly what you need to see. I've put together a lineup of some of the smartest Amazon finds designed specifically for tiny homes and small apartments. Products that actually help you create more space instead of taking it away. From clever kitchen gadgets that make cooking and storage easier, to smart organizers that clean up your everyday mess. If anything catches your attention, all the links are right there in the description. Now let's get into it. Opening the lineup with this 21-piece knife set from Amorston, a complete upgrade that instantly makes your kitchen feel more professional and ready for anything. It comes with a full range of knives designed for slicing, chopping, dicing, and precision cutting, all organized in a sleek storage block that keeps everything within easy reach. The blades are built for long-lasting sharpness, helping you handle daily cooking with less effort and more control. It's one of those upgrades that makes every meal prep smoother and more enjoyable, usually priced around $20 to $40. Flowing right into the next essential, these airtight food storage containers are a simple yet powerful way to keep your kitchen organized and ingredients fresh for longer. Designed with secure sealing lids, they help lock out air and moisture, which means dry goods like cereals, pasta, flour, and snacks stay crisp and usable. Their clear body design makes it easy to see what's inside without opening each container, saving time during busy cooking moments. It's a clean, space-efficient solution that brings order to cluttered shelves, usually priced around $20 to $40. Now moving forward to upgrade your drawers with this bamboo expandable silverware organizer, it transforms messy cutlery spaces into a neatly arranged setup. The adjustable design allows it to expand and fit different drawer sizes, creating multiple sections for forks, spoons, knives, and other utensils. The natural bamboo build adds a warm, premium look while also being durable for everyday use. Instead of digging through clutter, everything stays visible and easy to grab, making daily kitchen routines feel faster, smoother, and far more satisfying. Usually priced around $20 to $40. Keeping things rotating in the smartest way possible, this two-tier Lazy Susan turntable is all about accessibility and smart storage. Whether placed in cabinets, on countertops, or inside pantries, it allows you to spin and reach items instantly without moving everything around. The double-layer design maximizes vertical space, making it perfect for condiments, sauces, jars, or small kitchen essentials. It helps eliminate those hard-to-reach corners where items usually get forgotten, turning your storage into a more efficient and user-friendly setup, usually priced around $20 to $40. Heading forward, this 20-jar revolving spice rack keeps your seasoning collection organized and always within reach. Instead of scattered spice bottles taking up space, this rotating design lets you quickly find what you need while cooking. Each jar stays neatly arranged, making your kitchen look cleaner and more put together. It's especially useful when you're multitasking in the kitchen, saving time and effort while adding a more polished, professional feel to your cooking space, usually priced around $20 to $40. Sliding straight into smarter storage, these stackable storage bins are a clean way to organize everything without wasting vertical space. The modular design lets you stack multiple units securely, making them perfect for pantry shelves, cabinets, closets, or even under counters. Clear or semi-transparent builds help you quickly identify what's inside, cutting down time during busy moments. From snacks and packets to daily essentials, everything stays grouped and easy to access. It's a simple upgrade that brings structure and clarity to cluttered areas, usually priced around $20 to $40. Right after that, this dish drying rack upgrades your sink area into a more efficient and organized workspace. Designed to hold plates, bowls, cups, and utensils in separate sections, it allows proper airflow so everything dries faster and more hygienically. The structured layout prevents items from piling up, reducing mess and making cleanup feel easier after every meal. Many designs also include drip trays to manage excess water and keep countertops dry. It's a practical addition that keeps your kitchen looking cleaner throughout the day, usually priced around $20 to $40. Keeping that drying setup even more refined, this large stone dish drying mat brings a modern and minimal solution to countertop drying. Instead of fabric mats that stay damp, this stone surface absorbs water quickly and dries itself, helping reduce moisture buildup and odors. It works great for placing freshly washed dishes, glasses, or even small appliances, keeping your counter dry and protected. The sleek design also blends easily into most kitchen styles, making it both functional and visually clean, usually priced around $20 to $40. Up next, this clothes drying rack offers a flexible and space-saving way to air dry garments at home. The foldable design makes it easy to open when needed and store away when not in use, which is perfect for small spaces or apartments. It provides multiple bars for hanging clothes, allowing proper airflow to help items dry evenly without damage. Whether you're drying delicate fabrics or saving on electricity, it adds convenience to everyday routines, usually priced around $20 to $40. Stepping into a more all-around utility essential, this 39-piece general household tool set is one of those kits that proves useful in everyday situations. It includes a variety of commonly needed tools like screwdrivers, pliers, a hammer, and more, all organized in a compact case for easy storage. Whether it's small repairs, quick fixes, or simple DIY tasks, having everything in one place saves time and effort. It's a practical addition that keeps you prepared without taking up much space, usually priced around $20 to $40. Quick reminder, if any of these caught your attention, all the product links are waiting for you right in the description. Stepping into garage-level organization, this wall-mounted storage system is designed to clear up floor space while keeping tools and equipment neatly arranged. It typically features multiple hooks, slots, and adjustable sections that can hold everything from garden tools to cleaning gear and sports equipment. By lifting items off the ground, it instantly creates a more open and clutter-free environment. Installation is straightforward, and once set up, it turns unused wall space into a highly functional storage zone that feels clean and efficient, usually priced around $20 to $40. Moving right along to everyday cleaning essentials, this broom and dustpan set is built for quick, hassle-free cleanup around the home. The upright design allows you to sweep without bending, making it more comfortable for daily use. The dustpan often features a rubber lip that sits flush with the floor, helping capture even fine dust and debris without leaving anything behind. With clip-on storage for the broom and a compact footprint, it's easy to store in tight spaces while keeping cleaning tools always ready to go, usually priced around $20 to $40. Now bringing smart vertical storage, this 5-tier fruit and vegetable storage cart is perfect for keeping produce organized and accessible. The multi-level design allows you to separate fruits, vegetables, and other pantry items while maximizing floor space. Open baskets promote airflow, which helps keep produce fresher for longer. Many designs also include wheels, making it easy to move around when needed. It's a great way to reduce countertop clutter while adding a more structured and visually tidy storage system, usually priced around $20 to $40. Keeping your linen closet in order, these sheet organizers are designed to neatly store bedding sets without the usual mess of folded piles. Each organizer allows you to pack a full set, like bed sheets, pillowcases, and covers, into one compact unit, making everything easier to find when needed. The structured design helps maintain shape and prevents fabrics from unfolding or mixing with other items. It's especially useful for saving shelf space and creating a more streamlined, hotel-like organization in your home storage areas, usually priced around $20 to $40. Turning attention to one of the most overlooked spaces, this undersink organizer makes use of that tricky area beneath sinks where clutter usually builds up. With tiered shelves or sliding drawers, it helps separate cleaning supplies, bottles, and daily essentials in a way that's easy to access. The design often works around pipes and tight spaces, making it both practical and efficient. Instead of stacking items randomly, everything stays visible and within reach, bringing order to a spot that's typically hard to manage, usually priced around $20 to $40. Continuing on with a closet upgrade, these large shoe storage boxes are perfect for organizing footwear without creating clutter. The stackable design lets you build vertical storage while keeping each pair enclosed and dust-free. Clear front panels make it easy to identify shoes instantly, saving time when getting ready. They're especially useful for maintaining shape and condition over time, whether it's everyday sneakers or special pairs. It's a clean, structured solution that brings order to crowded closets, usually priced around $20 to $40. Shifting toward entryway organization, this key holder wall mount is one of those small additions that makes a big difference in daily routines. Instead of misplacing keys, wallets, or small essentials, everything gets a fixed, easy-to-reach spot right near the door. Many designs include hooks along with a small shelf for mail, sunglasses, or accessories. It helps create a more organized and stress-free start when leaving home, while also keeping the space looking tidy and intentional, usually priced around $20 to $40. And bringing convenience into your bathroom setup, this shower caddy set offers a simple way to keep toiletries neatly arranged and within reach. With multiple shelves included, you can organize shampoos, conditioners, body washes, and other essentials without crowding the area. Wall-mounted designs help free up floor space while maintaining a clean and open look. The structure also allows proper drainage, preventing water buildup and keeping items dry. It's a practical upgrade that makes everyday routines feel smoother and more organized, usually priced around $20 to $40. Keeping small essentials under control, these magnetic clips are a versatile solution for organizing papers, snacks, notes, or even kitchen items. They easily attach to refrigerators, metal surfaces, or boards, creating quick access storage without drilling or installation. Strong grip ensures items stay secure, whether it's sealing food bags or holding important reminders in place. Their compact size makes them easy to use across different areas of the home, adding a layer of convenience that's simple but highly effective, usually priced around $20 to $40. And closing things out with these large food storage containers, it offers a complete solution for managing ingredients in one system. With multiple pieces included, you can store everything from dry goods to snacks in a consistent and space-efficient way. The uniform design helps maximize shelf space while keeping everything neatly aligned and easy to access. Airtight lids help maintain freshness, reducing waste and keeping items usable for longer. It's a strong finishing addition that brings full-circle organization to your setup, usually priced around $20 to $40. And that's a wrap on some of the smartest Amazon finds for tiny homes and small apartments, where every product is all about saving space, reducing clutter, and making everyday living feel easier. If anything stood out to you, all the links are right there in the description. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one with more space-saving Amazon finds.